You might be wondering which one is better. Siri? Of course, Siri is better. ChatGPT, which has recently arrived. I don't think it can compete Siri. I'll be concluding which one is really better. So without wasting your time, let's begin. Well, I've got 5 points. So beginning from the first one, knowledge. Well, as compared to Siri, ChatGPT is of course more knowledgeable. If you talk about the amount of information that it provides, the amount of data it has is immensely more than Siri. Let me show you with an example.
Hey Siri, tell me some important facts about YouTube.
I found this on the web.
Can you tell it to me?
There's nothing to read.
Sure thing, buddy. Did you know that over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos are watched every day? Also, YouTube is available in more than 100 countries and supports over 80 different languages. Additionally, the platform's original name was supposed to be Tube, inspired by TV tubes, but they added YouTube instead.
Tell me more about it.
Absolutely. YouTube's first video was titled Me at the Zoo and was uploaded on April 23, 2005 by co-founder Jawed Karim. The site was created after the co-founders had difficulty sharing videos online due to their large file sizes. Also, YouTube's popularity surged when they introduced the ability for users to embed videos on other websites, making it easier to share content across the internet.
Well, coming to number 2, and that is which among the two provides more details about any given topic. Let's see with an example.
Give me a summary of the book Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
I found this on the web.
Can you tell it to me specifically?
There's nothing to read.
The Alchemist is about a shepherd named Santiago pursuing his dreams. He travels, meets wise mentors, learns life lessons, and discovers that the treasure he seeks is within himself. It's a tale of following one's heart and discovering the true essence of life.
And the winner here is, of course, ChatGPT. Coming to the third point, and that is which among the two is more understanding. Talking about Siri, it requires a very good conversation skill. Only if your conversation is good, there is a high chance that Siri will understand you. And if not, but talking about ChatGPT, all you need is to throw your words to it. It assembles, makes it a sentence, and understands you so damn properly. So yeah, heads up to ChatGPT again. Well, coming to the fourth point, and that is which among the two is more interactive. What do you think? Okay, let's see with an example.
Hey Siri, ask me a question.
That's my line.
I want you to ask me a question.
I'd really rather answer something.
Ask me a question.
Absolutely, Raj. What kind of hobbies or activities do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I prefer listening to music.
That's awesome, Raj. What type of music do you enjoy listening to the most? Do you have a favorite genre or any preferred artists?
So yeah, here we can definitely conclude that ChatGPT is way more interactive. If you have to improve your conversational skills, if you need someone to interact to in your spare time, or someone you think is smart enough to understand you and respond to your questions, the winner again is ChatGPT. Coming to the last point, the fifth one, and that is which is more user friendly. Talking about the appearance, ChatGPT looks way more good as compared to Siri. Siri looks a little basic. Obviously, it's too good as well. But if I've given an option to choose among these two, I would definitely go for ChatGPT. But that is not it. There are points as well wherein Siri is way better than ChatGPT. Point 1, controlling your phone. Whenever you need access to anything in your phone, be it opening your alarm, setting a reminder, opening your camera, music player, and whatnot, all you need to do is give your command to Siri and your work is done. Point 2. Well, I don't think there is a point to, because in the rest of the arena, ChatGPT is of course ahead of it. So yeah, concluding to the final winner, and that is ChatGPT. So yeah, if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you again in the last channel.